Okay, to make pizza, first thing, you want to preheat the oven to 450 degrees. This may seem high, but this is actually the normal pizza temperature. Okay, Mommy, where's the pizza dough?
Defrosting.
Where?
In the sink.
Is it ready?
I don't know.
Well, get your pizza dough out. This one was an epic fail on pizza dough defrostation. I have not seen anything like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna plop this on here and get my flour in 1 second. Mommy, where's the flour?
In the fridge.
Oh, that was actually supposed to be used? There's nothing in this.
Big one.
There isn't one. Oh my god, how am I supposed to see that? Oh god. We got the giant type of flour apparently. No. Ow! This would be much easier with help. No, Ow! Somehow we survived the flour attack. So grab some flour, put it on here. Touch the pizza, which is the most disgusting part when water gets on pizza dough, and dip it in the flour. I know this should take away most of the water, basically. It's still a bit sticky though, so, well, gonna have to deal. Alright, now I'm going to time-lapse me shaping the pizza. Okay. Alright, so now I'm getting the barbecue sauce. This is optional. Another choice is... Oh, Mommy! I'm not going to have chicken this time, actually. I don't like it anymore. Okay. The barbecue sauce... Okay, sure. The barbecue sauce is optional. You can also use marinara, otherwise known as tomato sauce. Okay. Our brand of barbecue sauce is Sweet Baby Ray's Gourmet Sauces. So the sauce is the boss. It's sweet and spicy. Well, oh yeah, got all that good stuff in there. Just remember, pizza dough is thin. You do not want to break it with this. So do not go like shonk, 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 shonk. I have broken it before like that. Alright, now I'm just stirring this in a circle. Getting all the sides and stuff. That's as good as we're gonna get. Mommy, can you get me the mozzarella cheese, please?
No.
What is that?
I don't know. But no. Yeah.
Okay, our mozzarella stuff is in a vacuum. Not mozzarella sauce.
They need to see you.
Our mozzarella cheese is in a vacuum sealed bag. No, I'm not going to give you the name of the vacuum sealer. Okay. Mommy! Okay. All right now. Here we go.
Move your stuff over.
There we go. A big old plum. Good. Oh, that's really good. All right, now roll it in a ball. Just kidding. All right, now. All right. Why is this? We should have a grinder or something. All right, now for my secret touch. Yes, you heard it, the mystery sound. Yep, I will tell you my secret touch at the end of this video. So I'm just gonna pause until my secret touch is done. Right now, our secret ingredient has been added. You will know at the end of this video. I'm bringing a pan, straight into the oven. So right now I'm setting my timer to 10 minutes. Do you guys want to watch while it's baking? Well, great. You'll be time lapse. Now the pizza is ready.
So
and
look at me. So then set that up. Wait, move the
the pizza is
food
now ready. Can you get it? I just totally got you on video. So it's actually an old family tradition that whenever we make pizza, we always got to watch a show. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna watch a show. It's an old family tradition. Of course, we gotta listen to it. And that noise is, you will see soon, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah, I off-counted that, didn't I? 0.
So I signed up
Oh yeah, boys, it's a projector!
to a smart box so that I can just use the vegetables delivered once a week.
Boom, 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 let's turn on our Apple TV. Oh yeah, we're so high-tech. Oh, that's a bit bright. Okay, one second. Want to watch
Okay.
a show with us? Okay, so I'm... Mommy, can I actually have permission to video the whole show and post it? Why? Oh, copyright?
Yeah, and you saw it, you get 3 strikes and you're out.
Okay, sorry, I cannot let you do it. I'll get one of my copyright YouTuber strikes. You won't know what it is until you get a YouTube channel. But sorry, can't show you. 'Cause I know it's annoying. But I'll give you a photo. At least. Alright.